Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can hide your followers from other people's in Instagram. So if you don't want other people's to have a look on your followers, you can do this. You can hide your followers by making your Instagram account private. So for this, click on this Instagram profile icon and now click on this top right corner of your screen. Here is your settings or activity tab. Now scroll down and click on this option which says account and privacy. You can see my account is not private yet. Simply click on this option and Instagram will ask you a confirmation message. Simply click on this switch to private. You can see your account is now private, so other people cannot see your followers. When your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. So if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.